Hi everybody, welcome to this week's workout. This week we're going to be doing a silent, low impact workout. It's going to require a lot of strength, so get heavy weights. I'm going to be using 12.5 pounds, so I guess not that heavy. Let's get started with our warm-up. We're going to do low impact, so side to side half squats to start out with. 20 seconds left. You're not going down all the way, but still make sure your knees are staying behind your toes. After this, we're going to go to a side lunge. Side to side. Make sure your hips are going back still. Really wide stance. Okay, next, back lunge. Step forward. Let's do a front raise. Then for the last part, front lunge with a back pulse, switch sides. Seconds. Great job. Okay, so make sure you have your weights, water, and a towel to dry off with, and come right back to start this workout. All right, our first section is 4 exercises repeated 4 times. And we're starting out with a narrow squat and a front raise. So let me get my weights. 5-second countdown is started. I'm going to use 1 because my shoulders are not that strong. So just squat it back and bring that weight up in front of you. If you don't have heavy weights, then you're going to do more reps. And you can even add a jump at the top, like that, halfway. Push your hips back, keep your chest up. 10 seconds. That was hard. Okay, squat and shoulder press. So, squat it back, press it up. First round, burning out the shoulders and legs. Mostly the shoulders though. They get tired faster. Sorry. 15 seconds. Nice job. Okay. Sumo squat and shoulder raise. I'm Going down in weight, so wide squat. Bring it out to the side. Oh my gosh, gotta skip a few. Alternating, I think I'm gonna do. Can tell I need to work on my shoulders. Already, 20. 10 seconds. Keep it up. Oh. Okay. Plie squat and an upright row. I'll just hang on to these. So squat. This one's different. You're not pushing your hips back. You're kind of staying upright. Minutes of shoulder work. Halfway. Almost there. Squeeze it up. Great job. Back to the beginning. Narrow squat, front raise. So I'm going to alternate these. Let's fall backwards. Don't go higher than your shoulder. Make sure your knees are staying behind your toes, pushing your hips back, keeping your chest lifted. 10 seconds. Okay. Squat and press. This one you get a little help from the momentum from your squat. So you can probably do heavier weights here. Less than 20. My shoulders are going to be sore tomorrow. Nice job. Okay. Sumo squat and side raise. So wider stance. Bring them up. Alternating. Seconds. Keep them coming. Oh my gosh. I overestimated my shoulder strength when I wrote this workout, but that's okay. Okay, plie squat and upright row. So wide stance. Feet pointing, toes pointing towards the corners of your room. 5. Good job. Okay. Mirror squat, front raise. Halfway done with this first round. And you can change your wrist position. Instead of going flat, you can turn it vertical. I'm eyeing my 8-pound weights. Thought if I couldn't do 15, 10 would be easy. Nope. 15 seconds. Okay. Squat and press. At least I can do this one. 'Squeeze your glutes on the way up. Less than 20. 10. Great job. Okay, sumo squat, side raises, so wider stance. Heart's racing. Halfway. Keep it up. I say as I come to a dead stop. Less than 15. Almost there. Nice job. Okay. Play a squat upright row. Shoulders back. Chest lifted. 20 seconds. 10. Almost there. Great job. Okay, back to the beginning. Last time. Narrow squat and front raise. I think I'll drop this. 2. One weight. It's already burning though. Squeeze your glutes on the way up. And when you get to the top. 10 more seconds. And then you're done with this exercise. Okay. Squat and press. Hips go back. Knees stay behind your toes. Halfway. 15. Almost there. Good job. Oh, all right. Sumo squat. Shoulder. What is this? Side raise. Lateral raise. I don't know. The more you bend your elbow, the easier it's going to be. So it's not hard enough. It's hard enough for me though. Less than 15. Again, don't raise your arms above your shoulder. Nice job. Okay. Please squat, upright row. Then we're done with this first set. Yay. So really wide stance. Upright row. Halfway. 15. You're doing awesome. Last one. Good job. All right. Set 1 is done. Shake your arms out because we're going to be using them still. Get a drink towel off. Come back for set 2. Okay, for section 2, our arm focus is biceps. So we're going to be doing a lot of curls. So, starting out with curtsy, lunge, and a curl. So get your weights. Staying on the right. So curtsy. Why am I facing away from the camera again? It's a really bad habit of mine. I always end up facing that way. You can do a hammer curl or a straight curl. I'm doing a hammer curl because these weights are so big. They'd be hitting my legs. If if I didn't hammer curl. 20 seconds. Almost there. That was tough. Okay, same thing, other leg. Gonna have to sit some out. Alternating. 20 seconds. If you're losing your balance, find something stationary to look at. Great job. Okay, step up, lunge back, curls. Stay on the right. So step up, lunge back, curl it up. Good job. Same thing on the leg. Move that over there so I can see it. Step up, lunge back. Left leg. With the curl. Halfway. Keep it up. You're doing great. It's tough. Less than 10. Great job. Okay, I'm going down for curtsy lunge curls on the right. Hips stay square. Right leg lunges back at like 45-degree angle. And you should feel it in your glutes. Less than 20. Keep it going. Okay, same thing, left side. You can do it. Squeeze it up. Stay strong. Good form. Working your glutes and your biceps. Guns and buns. 16 seconds. Last one. Okay. Too many weights, my grip is tired. Working all kinds of muscles. Step up, lunge back. With a curl. So I overestimated my bicep strength also. But I guess it's better to overestimate than underestimate. And be like, wow, I'm not even tired. 10 seconds. Great job. Same thing, other side. Step up. Lunge back with a curl. Glad I have these 10 pounds ready. When you lunge back far enough that your knees are staying behind your toes. Halfway. $15. You got this. Good job. Okay, back to the beginning, last time. Wow. Curtsy, lunges, squats, whatever they are. Can't even think anymore. With a curl. And I can't see my timer. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Last time through with these exercises. Less than 20. Great job. Oh my gosh. Hope you guys are as out of breath as I am. If you want to be. If you're a beginner, take it easy. Less than 20. Almost there. A few more. Great job. Step up, lunge back and curl. On the right. More than halfway. Keep it up. Less than 15. Last one. Okay. Same thing. Other side. Last time. Oh, curl down here. I did an extra curl. Squeeze your glutes on that step up. And on that back lunge. Squeeze it up. 20 seconds. Push yourself. Oh my gosh, you guys. In case you thought strength, quiet, and easy. No, did not. Okay. I didn't even realize it was a quiet workout until I looked at it this morning. I wrote it a couple days ago, then looked and saw, oh, there's no jumping. Interesting. Okay, so that was set 2. Good drink, towel off. Come back for set 3. Okay, ready for set 3? For this set, we are going to be doing some tricep work. So prepare yourself for that. Get your weights. We're starting out with, hold on, gotta reset this. We're starting out with squat and a tricep press. So I think I can use one big weight for this. Yes, I'm going to be hitting the ceiling. So squat back, tricep press on your way up. Make sure your elbows are facing forward, staying close to your ears. Squatting back, squeezing your glutes on the way up. Hips go back, chest stays lifted. 20 seconds. Squeeze your triceps. 10. Make sure your abs are super tight. Don't arch your back. Good job. Okay. Step up, lunge back, then plank kickback, staying on the right. Step up, lunge. Now bring it down. 4 of these. 4 kickbacks. 2, 3. And that same leg back, up, stepping up on the right. Lunge. 1. 2. 3. Bring your left leg back forward. Step up. Lunge back. Awesome job. Same thing other side. So stepping up with the left leg, lunging back with the right. Squeeze your abs. Right leg comes forward. Stepping up. Lunge. 1. Keep your hips square. Don't twist side to side. Lunge back. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do straight dips. Elbows should be going back, close to your body. When it gets too hard, bring your legs in a little bit. The closer they are, the easier it's going to be. Oh my gosh. Not even halfway done. Already dying. 20 seconds. 10. Oh my gosh. Great job. Back to the beginning. Squat and press up. Your back's gonna want to arch because of what you're doing with your arms. So make sure your abs are really tight. Protect your back. Elbows facing forward. So they're not like this, flaring out to the side. Keep them tight. 10 seconds. Step up, plank, kickbacks. Stay on the right. 2. Feel it in your abs. Don't let your hips rock side to side. Which means you gotta keep your abs tight. Great job. Same thing other side. So stepping up with the left. Lunge. Squeeze your abs. Squeeze your triceps. Right leg comes forward. Step up with your left. Almost there. Great job. Time for dips. Elbows going straight back. Squeeze it up. Oh my gosh. Keep them coming. Halfway. Few more. Go. Come on. Oh, oh okay. Squat. Tricep press. Halfway. The first set of these aren't bad. But then sets 2 and 3, I'm dying. Almost there. A few more. Great job. Okay. Step up, lunge back on the right with the tricep plank. Kickbacks. Left leg comes forward. Step up with the right. You're doing awesome. Great job. Same thing, left side. I feel like I'm gonna crush my phone with the rows. Stepping up with the left. Lunge back. Stepping up with the right. Halfway. Squeeze your tricep. Squeeze your abs. Step up with the left. Right, I mean. Okay. Dips. Last time. Yay. Remember, the farther your legs are away from yourself, the harder it's going to be. Keep your butt close to the chair. Not this close. Don't be sitting on it unless you need to. Halfway. Remember, your elbows are going back, not out to the side. Almost there. Wow. Didn't think that one was going to be that hard. The first round didn't seem very hard. Whew. But it was cumulative. Okay. That was set 3. Get yourself set up for set 4. What is set 4? Okay. Alright, be right back. Okay, last 10 minutes. I didn't even realize it. We have a chest and leg set. So, we're starting out with, and we're going to do like slow burpees. So no jumping, but you're going to grab your weights and do a calf raise instead of the jump at the end. So make sure you have your heavy weights close by. we're starting out with, one leg squat, then we're going to a walking push-up, quiet burpee. Or are we doing the quiet burpee first? One leg squat first. Okay, so if you can do a pistol, do a pistol. I'm going to use a chair, and maybe I'll use the 10s. 10-pound weights. Okay, here we go. One leg squat. I'm going to start with the right. Squeeze when you get to the top. Your other leg's just there for balance. Barely touching. Working your right. Halfway. So jealous of people that can do pistol squats. Great job. Okay. Now we're going to go into our walking push-up, burpee. So, right, lift, walk it forward, calf raise, back down. I'm out of room. Less than 20. Great job. Move all this stuff out of the way. Okay, one leg squat on the left. Squeeze it up. Push your butt back. Lift your right leg as much as possible. 20 seconds. You're doing awesome. Ten seconds. Push your butt back and squeeze it up. Okay, great. Okay. Trinity push-ups on the right. With a calf raise. So push up. Bring your arm forward. Middle. Back. Now walk it forward. Calf raise. Back down. Push up. Forward. Middle. Back. Walk it forward. Calf raise. Almost there. Okay. Now up. Step ups. Staying on the right. That 10 seconds went fast. Oh, it burns. Less than 20. 10. Oh my gosh, almost there. Good job. All right, Trinity push-ups on the left. Whew, I should probably move this way so you can see what I'm doing. All right, push up. Arm goes forward. Back to the middle. Arm goes back. Bring it up. Calf raise. Arm goes up. 15. Good job. Okay. Now what? Step up on the left. Really squeeze your glute up. Halfway. 10. Nice job. Okay. Super person push up. So, push up. Bring forward. Calf raise. Squeeze it up. Less than 20. Calf raise. Almost there. Good job. Okay. Squat walks. Grab a weight. Go as far forward as you have room for. Then head back. Tough thing to do at the end of the workout. Halfway. Nice job. Okay, last exercise, reptile, quiet burpee. Step up. Calf raise. Reptile push up. Both sides. Seconds. Great job. You made it. Oh, great. Okay. Catch your breath. Swing your arms. Give them a bit of a stretch. That was tough. Okay, so get a drink, towel off, and come back for the stretch. Yay! High turn. Alright, be sure to comment below what you thought of that strength workout. I thought it was pretty tough. Lunge it back, hips forward a little bit. Stretching out your hip flexors on the left. Next, we're going to bring this back leg forward and do a hamstring stretch on the same leg. Next is a quad stretch, same leg. A few more seconds. All right, quad stretch. Let me know if you're super sore the next day, especially your shoulders. I think shoulders are going to be really sore. Our last stretch on this side is figure 4, stretching out the glutes. So cross one leg over the other and squat back so you can feel it in here. 10 seconds. Then we're going to switch to the other side, starting with a hip flexor stretch. All right, hip flexor stretch. Let me know what part you thought was hardest. I think part 2 was hardest for me. After this, 5 more seconds, we're going to go to a hamstring stretch on this leg. Next is a quad stretch. Quad stretch. Your knees should be pointing down. And our last stretch is going to be figure 4 on the other side. Almost there. Woo! Alright, great job you guys. Thanks for working out with me today. That was a tough one. I post a new workout every Sunday, so be sure to check back, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't ever miss a workout. Share the video with other people that might want to work out from home with little or no equipment. What else? Comment below. Let me know what you thought of that strength-based quiet workout. Let me know if you want to see more like that. Hit the like button if you want to see more like that. And I will see you next week. Bye!